Hello and welcome to the DIY session on chain play adjustment. The chain is the key element that provides movement to your motorcycle. If you face any issues with the rear wheel momentum or its free rotation, it's an indication that you need to check your chain play. Here is how to do it and acquire the optimum play of the chain. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: 24 mm ring spanner, 13 mm open end spanner, 21 mm ring spanner, and measuring scale. Keep your motorcycle in an upright position on a level surface. Now hold the rear axle from the left side with the 21 mm ring spanner and loosen the axle nut on the right side with the help of a 24 mm ring spanner. Loosen the left and the right side chain adjuster by using the 13 mm open end spanner. Now tighten the left and right side chain adjusters for the initial few threads. Now let's check the chain slackness. Hold the 24 mm spanner behind the chain in a straight position. Mark the reading at this stage. Move the chain up and note the reading. Your value should be between 15 to 25 mm. Now note the line marking on the left side. You will need to reach the same marking on the right side by tightening the chain adjuster. Once done, tighten the axle nut fully and also the chain adjusters on both sides. The chain on your motorcycle is ready now. Keep roaring.